Hello student, let us discuss the second number of this exercise 4.3. Chapter name is Understanding Quadrilateral. Here we are discussing if two sides of quadrilateral are known and three included angles are known, then how to construct the quadrilateral. Your question is quadrilateral PLAN, where PL equal to 4 cm, LA equal to 6.5 cm, angle P equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to 110 and angle N is equal to 85 degree. Here is the rough sketch where two sides are 4 cm and 6.5 cm and three angles are 90, 85 and 110. This is one of the tricky questions of your exercise. We know the all interior angles sum of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Here I have two options to take base. Suppose I am taking LA as base. Angle A is here 110 and the length of AN we don't know, they measure, and the distance of between A and N we don't know the length, and the angle L, measure of angle L, its value is also unknown. And another option, if I take PL as a base, then measure of angle P is 90 degree and distance between P and N we don't know the distance, and the angle of L, measure of angle L is also we don't know what is the measure of angle L. So we need to find out the measure of angle L. So how can we find its value? We don't know its value, measure of angle L. Here we are apply the angle sum property of quadrilateral, that is interior angle sum of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So sum of 90, 85, 110 and L is equal to 360 degrees, that is P plus L plus A plus N equal to 360 degree. Then L equal to 360 minus sum of all this angle, all the three angle. So 360 minus 90 plus 110 plus 85, that is 360 minus 285 is equal to 75. So here measure of angle L is equal to 75 degree. Now we get the value of L here, that is 75 degree. Then we will construct the quadrilateral. It is easy to construct. So here is the rough sketch. Here it is the rough sketch. Take a straight line LA of 6.5 centimeter. Using the scale you can draw a straight line, and at the point A, takes A as center, measure 110 degree and put a dot using protractor and join dot and the center and extend the line. We get measure of angle A is equal to 110. Similarly, take L as center, make an angle 75. How can you construct 75? Take any convenient radius and bisect 60 and 120, we get 90, and when you bisect 90 and 60 we get 75. Take 90 as a center and 60 as a center, then we get 75. Extend the line, we get measure of angle L equal to 75. Then this length is 4 centimeter, PL is 4 centimeter. Then at the point P, measure of angle is 90 degree. So construct P at P, make 90 degree. Then join the line which is intersect, and that intersecting point is named N. So here we get PLAN, a quadrilateral, and measure of angle N is 85 degree. So PLAN is a required quadrilateral. Here is the steps. Draw L is 6.5. Step 1. Step 2. Draw an angle of 75 at L and 110 at A with the help of compass and protractor. One thing, keep in your mind that 75 degrees, 60 degree, 30, 120, 90, 105. When you draw this angle, use compass, and 110, 85. When you construct these two angles, use protractor. So that's all for today. Thank you.